This model kit review is of the POGO. It's the XFY-1, the vertical takeoff. It's 1/48 scale, and it is by Lindberg, which is not a very good brand. You can see there's not a lot of detail here. Look at that cockpit. You can see various pictures of the final model. Here's some more pictures of the final model. As you can see, looking at that cockpit, really not a lot of detail there. Well, let's have a look inside. We have a few pieces here to look at. First of all, here we have our fuselage, which has also got our tail attached to it, and we have got some raised panel lines as well as rivet lines. No detail on the inside of that cockpit. Same thing on this side, raised lines. We've got not sure what that piece is, probably just junk. We do have flashing. So this is sort of typical Lindberg kits. A lot of flashing, not much in the way of details. So look here. These are the wings, and again we've got flashing, mold lines. We do have a lot of surface detail, but it's all raised, which is standard for a Lindberg kit. Here are our counter-rotating propellers, which have got a lot of flashing, and as you can see here, these mold lines are really bad. Can require a lot of sanding for that. So let's have a look over here. Here is our cockpit glass. Looks like we also have a ladder we'll be climbing up on, and lastly our spinner. We have a pilot. Not much detail there. Really is a sort of dismal kit. I really see most of these Lindberg kits as more of a skeleton to then flesh out with other things. Some nice decals there, nicely printed. Let's have a look at our these are our paint guides as well as decal guides, and you can see here is our propeller installation there, and everything else is put together kind of just like that. Not much in the way of details at all. So it's a very basic kit.